Nichushkin scored the goal, McKinnon assisted on, and now Makar shooting, rebound, scores! Game time! Val Nichushkin!
Deja vu all over again from Game 4. An early goal in the third period to tie it up. Very similar. Get traffic in front, get the puck to the net. We saw it earlier with the Calgary shot. This one, the rebound coming back off the skate of Chernak and goes through the legs of Vasilevsky. Makar is going to be the one. I thought Nichushkin might have got a piece of this. The left skate of Chernak as he's battling Nichushkin. The stick is in there. Does it hit the stick? Oh, it might have. The stick of Nichushkin, the skate, and then Vasilevsky trying desperately to close the 5-hole, unable to do so.
5 goals for Nichushkin. Back in they come.